Hi guys, in this video I want to talk about tags and how Content Contender decides which tags it's going to use in the output. Now in your content, anything that is, let me show you here, anything between the opening paragraph and the closing paragraph title tag automatically becomes an H3 tag. And anything between the breaks, the sentence variations, is just becomes a paragraph tag. And anything you put inside the spin block name here will automatically become an H1 tag. So the output you're going to get will look like this. That's what I put. This H1 here is what I had in here, in the spin block here. You can put spin content in there, of course. And the H3, this part here, ending, let's see where this thing ends now, ending right there, that part is this part here. Whatever's in here becomes the H3. And the content itself, well, that gets pulled from the sentence lines and the variations, and that's just regular p tag. I hope this makes it clear, so you can understand how Content Contender creates the tags and the paragraph. Thank you for watching.